Hello, everyone. In this video, we will practice speaking. I will read the red sentences, and you will read the blue ones. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi, welcome to our cafe. How can I help you today? Sure. What kind of coffee would you like? Great choice. Would you like any sugar or milk with that? All right. Would you like anything to eat with your coffee? Excellent choice. Please have a seat and I'll bring your order shortly. You're welcome. Here's your cappuccino and cake. Enjoy. You're very welcome. Is everything all right with your order? I'm glad to hear that. Do you need anything else? All right. Enjoy your time here. How was everything? I'm so happy to hear that. Would you like anything else? Absolutely. Here's your bill. You can pay at the counter when you're ready. You too. Come back anytime. Yes, we have a rewards program. If you sign up, you get a free coffee after 5 purchases. You can sign up through our website or at the counter. It only takes a minute. You're welcome. Have a great day, and see you next time. Don't forget to practice out loud. If you liked this series, like the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more interactive English practice videos. Share with your friends who are learning English. Take care of yourself. See you in the next videos.